Most organizations start bringing in data from external sources or partners to support transactional business processes or to feed their analytics engine to gain deeper insights. These initiatives are executed on a project-by-project basis and usually start small, with a couple of partners and a handful of formats that need to be loaded into an ERP or data warehouse, all perfectly manageable. Of course, it doesn't stay that way for long. The business benefits from access to this new data, and the number of projects starts growing rapidly, dramatically increasing data volume and variety. You may need to support everything from unstructured formats like flat files to highly structured formats like XML. This forces your once simple scripts to support more complex transformations, and more people and processes are required to keep everything running. With all this data in motion, security and reliability become increasingly important as more systems need to exchange data with external partners. Over time, it becomes harder to react to changes. It is difficult to add new partners and data formats fast enough, allowing critical processes to fail, and users become frustrated. It becomes harder to provide the transparency the business requires, so when things fail, it often isn't discovered for hours or even days. Overall, the entire system becomes harder to manage without adding more people and processes, which leads to increased costs. A large healthcare payer had grown up over time through acquisitions, without a central group managing their claims processing technology. They managed multiple claims processing systems, which were expensive and created a number of operational challenges. They lacked visibility into claims processing errors until very late in the process, which made it difficult and expensive to recover quickly. They lacked reliable technology and uniform support for HIPAA and other data formats. It was hard to reconcile all the claims documents to ensure that nothing was missed or delayed, which put them at risk for fines and customer service issues. Their goal was to complete a multi-year initiative to migrate from multiple claims processing systems to a single system in order to streamline the claims process, improve operational efficiency, and improve the financial accuracy and timeliness of claims processing. After evaluating a number of options, they decided to modernize and consolidate on a single data exchange technology. They implemented Informatica B2B Data Exchange to process all of their claims and supporting documents. Since 2012, they have been processing millions of documents per month through the system. They met their business goals, including a 30% improvement in claims processing efficiency. Now, business users have complete visibility into claims processing events and a dashboard for reconciliation so they can manage the claims process end-to-end. Informatica B2B Data Exchange is a gateway that acts as a central hub to manage all interactions with end-to-end visibility, seamless integration, and complete orchestration of all data exchanges between the enterprise and its customers, suppliers, partners, and service providers. The components of Informatica B2B Data Exchange include the Informatica Data Integration Platform. PowerCenter is the underlying workflow engine. It defines how data is processed and includes Power Exchange to enable connectivity with dozens of internal systems, databases, and applications right out of the box. Data transformation transforms unstructured, complex, or industry-standard data from one format to any other. Partner management and monitoring are at the heart of data exchange. They allow the configuration of partner-level parameters to guide how specific documents should be processed. This includes tolerances for processing errors, alerts, error handling, transformation rules, and data validation rules. Both IT and business users can use dashboards to monitor the relevant events and are alerted immediately if there is a problem. Managed File Transfer supports over 25 secure communication protocols, enabling organizations to connect to their partners regardless of technical capabilities. Finally, because Informatica B2B Data Exchange is built on the Informatica platform, organizations can take full advantage of all their other Informatica components, including Power Exchange, data quality, data masking, and MDM, to validate and enrich data as it is being transformed. Informatica B2B Data Exchange helps bridge the gap between business users and IT by providing flexible integration to reduce development time and costs. This enables IT to deliver new integrations in days, not months, enables the business to own the onboarding process, and future-proofs the system from changes. Role-based visibility gives every business user the ability to monitor and track important data flows. By adding context, like data type, destination, priority, and source, they can make informed decisions. The appropriate parties can be notified if something goes wrong, and issues can be resolved faster. A quality-assured data exchange guarantees that data is in the right place at the right time in the right format, ensuring it can be consumed by back-end systems or partners without staging or manipulation.